You genius.
Brianna, how do you say mommy? Mommy? Say mommy.
Tell her something else, you're gonna piss her off.
How do you say baby? Yeah, baby. Yeah. Where's your hair? Yeah. How do you say milk? Milk. Yeah. How do you say more? How do you say more? Yeah, more. How do you say mommy? Huh?
No, how do you say all done?
How do you say thank you? How do you say all done? No, sit down. How do you say all done?
She can't show you right now, she's holding
Sit
it.
down. Sit down. You're gonna hurt yourself. Sit down. How do you say all done? Brianna. How do you say all done? You don't want to play, do you?
I don't want to play video games right now.
You said you would.
Go get it unstuck for her, turn it around so I can record her.